guys, Chlorine King here. Welcome back for another vlog. Today's topic is something I've called reverse rapport. So what's reverse rapport? Well, I'll tell you how the process starts and we'll work our way into it. So how this process starts, what I've learned through the pool business and meeting new people and all that good stuff is that what happens is when you first go out there, you know, you're doing everything you should be, you're answering all the questions, you're doing a phenomenal job and all that, and what they do is they bounce that back and start being very friendly with you, you know, asking how your day is. They'll bring water out for you and all that, and before you know it, you guys become friends, which is great. I'm super excited you guys have made a friend. But the thing is, eventually when something goes wrong at their house, like a shelf collapse in the garage or their faucet's leaking or whatever the case may be, you're out there servicing the pool, doing your work, your job, what you're there to do, and they'll ask you, hey Eric, can you come check this out? And you know, before you know, you're spending 20-30 minutes doing extra stuff they're not there to do, which, you know, that's up to you if you want to do that. I don't see anything wrong with it, but you should also create that boundary, if you will, that hey, client, I'm here just to clean your pool. I'll answer every question to the moon about your pool. I will do the best I can to keep your pool clean and perfect. But as far as that goes, you really need to call that professional, you know, like a handyman to hang the shelf or a plumber to fix the faucet. You know, I would never invite a plumber to my house and say, hey, Mr. Plumber Guy, can you talk to me about water clarity and why my chemicals are off and all that? You just don't do that. So be careful of reverse rapport. If you got to that point, that's great. That means you become friends with them, which is awesome. You know, I have several friends that were originally just clients, and now they're friends of mine. You know, we see each other out in public. We'll be like, hey, what's going on? Or, you know, clients will give tickets to events for me. You know, they do friendly type stuff. You just want to be careful that if you have a client that's constantly asking you to do stuff outside of pool maintenance or pool repair, that you may want to set that boundary just so you're not wasting a bunch of time working for nothing. So as always, I hope you guys like this video. Don't hesitate to comment, like, subscribe, and have a great day.